Hello, welcome to the Science Hub. Myself Ginny Desai, and today we are going to learn bacterial cell structure. Now, what is the difference between eukaryotes and prokaryotes? Three basic differences: their structure, replication, and nucleic acid. Bacteria. Bacteria are large group of single-celled prokaryotic microorganisms. मतलब वो प्रोकैरियोट्स में आते हैं. 10 times as many bacteria cells in the human flora as there are human cells in the body. Shape of bacteria. There are three shapes: cocci, bacilli, and spirochetes. Cocci includes streptococci, staphylococci, diplococci, and bacilli includes E. coli, Bacillus, Klebsiella. Spirochetes include Treponema and Borrelia. Cocci means round in shape, bacilli mean a rod-like structure, and spirochete मतलब spiral जैसा. Shape of bacteria. You can see here that bacilli are like rods, cocci are in spherical shape, and spirally is in spiral. Bacteria size. Bacteria range in size from about 0.2 to 5 μm. The smallest bacteria, that is Mycoplasma, are about the same size as the largest virus, that is the pox virus, and are the smallest organism which is capable of existing outside the host. The longest bacteria, rods, approach the size of some yeast and human RBC. Bacteria according to staining. Gram-positive bacteria will have thick peptidoglycan layer and teichoic acid. Gram-negative bacteria will have thin peptidoglycan layer and lipopolysaccharide, that is endotoxin. Acid-fast bacilli will have mycolic acid, which are included in lipids. Bacteria. Some bacteria are variable in shape, that is pleomorphic, many-shaped. Shape of the bacteria is determined by its rigid cell wall. The microscopic appearance of bacterium is most important criteria for its identification. यानी कि उसकी जो सेल वॉल होगी वो डिसाइड करेगी कि बैक्टीरिया कौन से शेप का है. वो स्ट्रक्चर देता है एक सेल को, यानी कि बैक्टीरिया को. pH रिक्वायरमेंट्स. अब pH रिक्वायरमेंट्स टेम्परेचर और बहुत कुछ बैक्टीरिया के ग्रोथ को इफेक्ट करता है, वो हम आगे के चैप्टर्स में देखेंगे. Here pH requirements. The best growth is at pH of 6.5 to 7.0. Many actors, decomposers, recycling nutrients. ज़्यादातर बैक्टीरिया डिकम्पोजर को रिसाइकल करने के न्यूट्रिएंट्स में काम लगेंगे. सम कॉज डिजीज मतलब कि पैथोजेंस. स्ट्रक्चरल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. अब बैक्टीरिया के अंदर क्या क्या है, तो न्यूक्लियोइड मतलब कि डीएनए, राइबोसोम्स, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, सेल वॉल, सरफेस लेयर दैट इज कैप्सूल, एंड एपेंडेजेस. एपेंडेजेस में आएंगे सीलिया, फ्लैजेला, वो सब जो उसको मूव करने में काम आएंगे, और वो सब. Here you can see the structure of bacteria. Bacterial structure covering layers: cell wall, outer membrane, surface fiber. And here you can see the basic difference and the included requirements. Protection. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. It has a sticky coat called capsule for attachment to the host or other bacteria, and also provides protection. Function of cell wall. अब cell wall करता क्या है? Maintaining the cell's characteristic shape. Shape देगा, जैसे कि हमने आगे देखा. Countering the effects of osmotic pressure. Providing attachment sites for bacteriophages. What are bacteriophages? The viruses which can infect bacteria are known as bacteriophages, providing a rigid platform for surface appendages, that is flagella and fimbriae. Here you can see the image of bacterial cell wall. Gram positive versus gram negative. Here you can see the basic difference between gram positive and gram negative. Properties of cell wall. In gram-negative bacteria, it contains endotoxin, that is lipopolysaccharide. Polysaccharides and proteins are antigens. Porine proteins help entry of hydrophilic molecules. Porine मतलब छोटे छोटे pores होते हैं. Teichoid acid fibers on outer surface of gram-positive includes septic shock. Cell membrane. It is composed of phospholipid bilayer. What are the functions of cell membrane? Active transport, energy generation, that is by oxidative phosphorylation, synthesis of precursors of cell wall, secretion of enzymes and toxins. Infoldings of cell membrane carry on photosynthesis and cellular respiration. The infoldings are called mesosomes. Here on the right side there is an image of mesosome. Sticky bacterial capsule. Here is the image of sticky bacterial capsule. Plasmids. Molecules of DNA that are found in bacteria separate from bacterial chromosome. A circular molecule in much smaller than a genomic DNA. Replicate autonomously from the genomic chromosome. Often there are many plasmid copies present in one cell. Further, a cell may contain several different plasma, or it contain no plasmid at all. Plasmids generally carry genes that are not essential for cell survival. Plasmids may carry genes for antibiotic resistance. In short, DNA के molecules bacterial chromosome से अलग हो जाते हैं. सर्कुलर मॉलिक्यूल जीनोमिक डीएनए से छोटा होता है. बहुत सारी प्लाज्मिड की कॉपीज एक सेल में प्रेजेंट होती है. फर्दर सेल के पास बहुत डिफरेंट प्लाज्मा होंगे या फिर देयर विल बी नो प्लाज्मिड. प्लाज्मिड के पास वो जीन्स होते हैं जो सेल के सर्वाइवल के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं होते. ऑल्सो प्लाज्मिड्स वो जीन्स भी कैरी करते हैं विच आर फॉर एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस. ट्रांसपोसोम्स, दे आर द पीसेस ऑफ डीएनए. वो एक साइड से दूसरे साइड मूव करते हैं. उनको जंपिंग जीन्स भी बोलते हैं. जीन्स फॉर वन और मोर प्रोटीन्स imparting resistance to antibiotics. When such transposon is incorporated in plasmid, it can leave the host cell and can move to another. This is the way that the alarming phenomenon of multi-drug antibiotic resistance spread so rapidly. Appendages. Flagella, that is the flagellum. Their function is motility or chemotaxis. Chemotaxis means movement of motile cell or organism. Flagella. Bacteria that are motile have appendages called flagella. They are attached by basal body. A bacteria can have one or more flagella. Flagella are made up of flagellin. It is used for classification. Monotrichous means one flagella. Lophotrichous, tuft at one end. Amphitrichous, tuft at both ends. And peritrichous all around the bacteria. Refer the diagram and you will have a clear idea about it. Pili. Short protein appendages are called as pilin. Smaller than flagella, adhere bacteria surfaces used in conjugation for exchange of genetic information. Aid flotation by increasing buoyancy. Bacterial shapes. Shapes are used to classify Bacillus, Coccus, Vibrio, Spirochete or Spirillum. Bacillus means rod shaped, Coccus means spherical, Vibrio are coma shaped with flagella, Spirochetes are worm like spiral shaped, Spirillum that are spiral shaped. Grouping of bacteria. Diplo means groups of two. Strepto, they are in chains, and Staphylo are grape-like clusters. Here are the image of the bacterial morphology shapes. Here is the image of spirochete, and you can see that they are in spiral shape. Formation of bacterial spore, it will start from the vegetative cell, then there will be a spore coat development, then it will go to the mother cell and spore coat will be formed. Then the free endospore will be released. Here is the microscopical observation of bacterial endospore. They are found in gram-positive bacteria. Spore coat are tough and heat resistant. Thank you. Keep watching the Science Hub.